My dear colleagues, this day is a very special day in my life. As I bid adieu, some unforgettable reflections of my stint come to my mind, which I thought I should share with every one of you. It has been my privilege and honor to head this institution. This day sums up my entire journey as a banker spread over 39 years. As in the case of any good movie or book, the final paragraphs make the most interesting reading. Likewise, in my journey too, these 3 years of my stint as MD and CEO of our institution have made it the most enjoyable part of my career. Merger is an opportunity that comes rarely in the history of any institution, and this opportunity of steering the amalgamation of two institutions that have their own rich and varied heritage came during these 3 years. At the same time, there was the worst ever pandemic challenging our enthusiasm. We lost some of our colleagues to this pandemic. My homage to the memory of our departed colleagues and prayers for solace to the bereaved families. I firmly believe that God never gives us an opportunity without also showing the path to accomplish it. This journey has been incredible. Every day, newer challenges, broadening opportunities, heights that appeared insurmountable were steadily conquered. The full credit for all this goes to a large set of our well-wishers. Firstly, our own dedicated team members themselves, supported by their understanding family members. The DFS team that was guiding us through this journey, RBI, our regulator, who held our hand steadily throughout, the directors on our board who spent as much time and energy and thought in seeing us through this journey. Last but not the least, the huge support that Indian Bank always enjoyed, that is, the loyal support of the customers, young and old alike. But for the spirited participation of all these well-wishers, we would not have been here today on a mode of festive celebration. As I look back, it gives me utmost satisfaction as I see the galaxy of awards and recognitions conferred on the bank. This speaks of the team at work and their involvement in giving their best. The accomplishments, the accolades, the recognitions, the awards, etc. have all been shared from time to time through my periodical communications. The bank has rightly positioned itself in a formidable, unassailable, and perhaps an enviable position. The bank has several firsts to its credit. The number one position of the proud Indian Bank now rests in your hands. I am sure across the bank the team will join hands to achieve customer delight and help the institution retain its premier position as one of the most preferred banking destinations. I have a suggestion to make to the young people serving the bank. You are the future of the bank. Sharpen your skills, broaden your knowledge of the external world. Have an eye on the competition outside. Have a ear for what public say about our bank vis-a-vis the other banks. Strive to be the chosen bank in your area of operation. Gel well with the customers and public. We are one of the members of the society. We are not one above the rest. You should plan to strike the right balance between work and life. Let not pressure on one count rob you of the joy on the other. Take care of your health and take care of your family. One very satisfying aspect for me during this short but fruitful assignment has been the power of Stri Shakti. There has been a spirited enthusiasm and participation among the women to take up higher positions. As BMs or ZMs or in any assignment, be it in the corporate office or outside, their contribution is quite inspiring. The mentor and mentee concept should now move on, taking in its ambit many more of our women members. The full punch of our power is delivered only then. My dear colleagues, as a well-wisher, I cannot ignore cautioning you against the frauds of any kind. Be careful. To be careful is not cowardice. Once you are cautious, you have a power shield around you. I take this opportunity to welcome Shri Shantilal Jain, the incoming MD and CEO to Indian Bank, and wish him all the best here. As a seasoned banker, well accomplished in his career, he brings in rich experience and expertise. I am sure under his stewardship, the bank will scale new heights of success. It will be my delight to watch the progress of the bank from strength to strength in the days to come. In conclusion, I take leave of you on a note of utmost pride and satisfaction, having fulfilled a mission true to the expectations of all our stakeholders. My prayer to the Almighty to protect this institution and every member of the IB family from any adverse tide. Take care, stay safe. Thank you very much.